Hi, in this video, I'm going to take you through how to use Kudosity package in Salesforce to trigger a workflow. For example, here what I have created a workflow for is a use case where whenever a new lead is created in Salesforce, an SMS should automatically go out instantly. So to take a look at how this workflow can be made, I'll show you the trigger. In this, one thing to note is if you are trying to create workflows which get triggered due to creation of a record, generally try to use the asynchronous path. The reason being, in the second step, you will require a record ID, and that only happens after a lead is created, or any other example like a contact is created. So in that case, when you try to run it immediately, it would not happen because till that point, lead has not even been created. So asynchronously means that first the lead's creation will complete, and then a message will happen within seconds. So once you have set that up, I'll show you how you can add a Kudosity step. For example, this is already added. So if it was not here, you simply go ahead and click on Add Element. You search for Kudosity, and here you can see there are a few Apex actions here. The one that we'll be using is send SMS with Kudosity. I'll close it for now. So here is a sample action that I've already created. You give it a name, you jot down your message, you define which field in your lead is going to be containing a phone. It's also suggested to have a filter step so that only a message is sent to only those people who have a valid mobile number already, so that you can add in as one of these steps. In my case, I already have a phone and I know that it will always be there. And then you would have to add the sender ID, which you can find in Kudosity. You also have other options like track link, you can schedule the messages, etc. There are some more advanced options, but I would suggest just let it be as let the flow decide. So once you have set it up, you can save it, and now I'll quickly show you what it would look like as soon as a lead is created and how much time it takes. Let's go to creating a lead. Let me fill in the information, and I will unpause this in a second when I have filled in the information. Alright, let's get back to it. So now that I have filled all the information, what I'll do is I'll just click on save, and you should be able to see how quick this entire flow works. So a lead is created. Let's go back to the lead, and here on the right hand side you can see the conversation is this entire block is of Kudosity. So you can see there is already an SMS delivered to this person, and this is the message which was part of the flow. So as you can see, it's quite useful. For example, now let's say if someone replies back, let me quickly see if I have received this in my phone. Yes, I have. So let's send a message back. I'm gonna say thank you, looking forward to talk to you. And as soon as I reply back from my phone, we should see what happens. There we go. So the system will tell you a notification, a reply has been received, and you'll be able to see it instantly. So this is how easy the flow would make your life once it has been set up with Kudosity Salesforce package.